Hey guys, it's Medicosis Perfectionalis, where medicine makes perfect sense. We continue on our playlist called Bleeding and Coagulation Disorders. In my two previous videos, we have talked about petechiae, purpura. Today we'll talk about ecchymoses, the largest form of those subcutaneous microhematomas. With that being said, now let's get started. Here are the causes of true thrombocytopenia, and they are the same causes of ecchymoses. By the way, now you can get my antibiotics course from my website medicosisperfectionalis.com. Use the promo code antibiotics70 to get 70% discount. This discount is only available for 5 students because 20 students have already got it. It's time to enjoy learning pharmacology. Treatment of petechiae, purpura, or ecchymoses depends on the underlying cause. Clinically, thrombocytopenia presents as superficial bleeding, skin or mucosal skin, such as petechiae, purpura, and ecchymoses. Ecchymoses are the largest, more than 1 centimeter in diameter. Petechiae, purpura, or ecchymoses, similarities first, then differences. So let's start. Similarities, all of them are subcutaneous hematoma or microhematoma. One condition can cause all of them, such as thrombocytopenia. They have the same underlying mechanism, which is a disruption in the vessel wall, in the primary hemostasis or secondary hemostasis. Some common causes: thrombocytopenia, why? It's a disruption in primary hemostasis. Trauma, why? It's a disruption in the vessel wall. So what are the causes of ecchymoses? Okay, same as purpura. What are the causes of purpura? Same as petechiae, plus trauma, vasculitis, and amyloidosis. What are the causes of petechiae? Thrombocytopenia, thrombopenia, bone marrow failure, coagulation factor deficiencies, and others. For ecchymoses, we add Cushing's, Osler-Weber-Rendo, and scurvy. There is another name for Osler-Weber-Rendo. It's called hereditary hemorrhagic telangiectasia. Okay, and scurvy, which is vitamin C deficiency. Lack of hydroxylation. What's the enzyme? Lysyl hydroxylase. Just some suspense. I've talked about the forensic significance of petechiae in a previous video called Petechiae, so please watch my previous video. Thank you in advance. Ecchymoses, large, more than 1 centimeter, subcutaneous hematoma. Ecchymoses is not the same as bruise. It's not the same as contusion. By the way, bruise and contusion are the same thing, but they are not the same as ecchymoses. Ecchymoses literally means extravasation of blood. Ecchymoses are bigger than purpura, bigger than petechiae. The border in ecchymoses is more diffuse. Of course, it's larger than that of purpura. The mechanism, again, subcutaneous hematoma leading to bleeding, subcutaneous hematoma leading to blood. Blood contains red blood cells. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin. Hemoglobin will give you this red/blue/purple color. Causes of ecchymoses, same causes of petechiae and purpura, plus Cushing's and Osler-Weber-Rendo. In the next video, we'll talk about a special type of ecchymoses, and you will discover that it's not an actual ecchymoses. We'll talk about this in the next video, so please subscribe. If you want to help my channel and you don't have the money, no problem. Please share my videos with others, like with a lot of people, especially in groups that contain medical students. Please subscribe and join the tribe. Hit the bell to get notified. Follow me on Facebook. I have cases there. Get my notes on my cases on patreon.com/medicosis. Thank you so much for watching. As always, be safe, stay happy, and study hard.